This stop is Essex Street and Delancey
About to
Street.
get off. Alright, ready to get off right now. Excuse me, thank you. About to get off the bus. I got off, about to walk to the J train right now. About to take the J train. About to take the J train. The Jelly-O train. We on the Jelly-O train. Oh, we on the Jelly-O train. We on the Jelly-O train. Got Jelly-O train. Yo, we're taking the Jelly-O train. Taking the Jelly-O train. Please don't realize that you walking on the block. Oh shit, listen up. Oh, that's the F. Oh, that's the F, ain't the J. J said 4 minutes. Nah, I'm bugging out. That's the F. We on that J right now, bro. Yeah, we gonna walk this right here. We on that J. Oh, the J ain't come yet, so we good money. That float. It's a float.
Normally I would just take the J automatically, but I didn't know where you stood.
The M-Train's approaching in 0 minutes. Yeah, we gonna. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. Can't see. Nah, I ain't showing the camera right now. Yeah, man, there's a man about you. Don't know you there. Cause I feel like I'm good. So we taking the J right now. We on Delancey waiting for the J. It's 3 minutes. The M is coming right now, but the M not leaving next 7 minutes. The M is coming right now. The M is coming right now. So the M is coming right now. The J is 2 minutes away.
It also includes songs and music. Though Tony doesn't see that specific songs being used by the class.
That's the M behind me. J's coming. The J's coming right now. So. It doesn't make no sense when getting on the M if the J is right there. The J is coming right now.
The next stop is Marcy Avenue.
J right there. J coming right now. Alright guys, we're waiting for the J. So the J is supposed to approach right now, so we're waiting for the J. Alright.